Hey there, welcome back to Passive Income Journey 777. Are you open to exploring an opportunity that can help you earn an extra $100K online in your spare time? I'm working with Dr. Vincent Ortega Jr., founder and co-founder Nick Anderson, a 9-figure, 25-year proven mentor, leader, coach, and top 10 affiliate marketer in the world. He's developed a proven pathway to earning over $100K online in your spare time, and he's offering unlimited 25% lifetime commissions to those who join online business. App. We have a social media platform designed specifically for entrepreneurs to come together to make money and learn from each other. It's completely ad-free, scam-free, and NFT token-gated, so it's safe and secure. Additionally, we have an affiliate marketplace with over 1,000 products and services, including daily clothing and accessories. The best part? You can write off your clothing and daily accessories as advertising materials for your affiliate marketing business, providing you with huge tax benefits. Here's a list of the best affiliate programs for beginners, focusing on high commission rates and ease of use. 1. Amazon Associates. Pros: easy to join, wide range of products, trusted brand. Cons: lower commission rates, short cookie duration. Tips: focus on promoting high-priced items and niche products to maximize earnings. 2. ShareASale. Pros: large network of merchants, user-friendly interface, reliable tracking. Cons: some merchants have strict approval requirements. Tips: choose merchants with high commission rates and a good reputation to increase your chances of success. 3. ClickBank. Pros: high commission rates, wide range of digital products, easy to join. Cons: some low-quality products, high refund rates. Tips: research products thoroughly before promoting them and focus on those with a proven track record. 4. CJ Affiliate. Pros: large network of merchants, reliable tracking, performance-based incentives. Cons: steeper learning curve, some merchants have strict approval requirements. Tips: take advantage of CJ Affiliate's training resources and focus on promoting high-converting offers. 5. Bluehost Affiliate Program. Pros: high commission rates, well-known brand, excellent support. Cons: limited to web hosting services. Tips: create content around website creation and online business to attract potential customers interested in web hosting services. I left the best for last for you guys. Number 6 is Online Business. App. Pros: high commission rates, well-known brand, excellent family-like support, wide range of digital products such as NFTs on OpenSea, web hosting services, with over 1,000 products, including daily clothing and accessories. It's easy to join and has a super user-friendly interface. Cons: none. Tips: focus on promoting marketplace high-end product items and niche products to maximize earnings. Create content around website creation and online business to attract potential customers interested in web hosting services and unlimited and priceless training resources. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online and build a passive income stream. I have my affiliate marketing links listed below on this channel. Please click on them now and discover the best affiliate marketing program I am very proud to be a part of, which is online business. App affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and low-risk form of marketing for businesses and affiliates alike. By understanding how affiliate marketing works and following some best practices, anyone can become a successful affiliate marketer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we thank you again for being a part of our community channel. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income and affiliate marketing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777. Have a beautiful day today.